What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a 2017 Nissan Rogue. It's my wife's car, so we're actually going to be doing a cabin filter change and an air intake filter change. So I'm going to bring you guys along and hopefully it'll help you guys out. Alright, so this is my wife's Nissan Rogue, and we're actually going to start with the engine air filter, and we'll show you step by step how to do it. The air intake and the filter's back there, so we have to take apart all these little clips along the way until we reach the back. I got this air filter at Advanced Auto, and here's the parts number for you guys. And this is for 2017 Nissan Rogue, and brand new filter. After that, this whole piece should come off. There's a little clip up here. Bring it back. There you go. Grab it. This whole piece should literally just move up. Comes out like that. Put it to the side. After we're done with all this, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. But here it is. So there's the filter housing. Look how dirty that filter is. So there's a clip back here. There's another one on the side. Literally drops off. For the new filter, make sure you see this little tab right here. That indicates the top left. Make sure the new filter has the indicator, which it does, top left. So that's the only way you'll put it back in. We're gonna start by in front of the intake. There's two clips, little pop-up clips. If you have a screwdriver, I have little tools, so a little trim tool. So I'm gonna use that to take that out. It's one of these little rivets. Very easy to take out. Make sure you store them in a safe place so you don't lose them. I have little pockets. And then you come up here. You see this little bolt? It's actually connected, holding the bolt to the support frame. And right here is going to be a 10mm bolt. So I just got my little ratchet. Take that off. There's also a Phillips head, so you can actually do either or. I find this one easier for me. Again, make sure you put it in a safe place. Put it in my pocket. So with the new filter, same way, you just drop it in, push it in, make sure, remember I told you that little indicator top left, just make sure it sits flush. Put on the clips, and now I'm going to do something different. I'm actually going to clean up a little bit the engine bay. It's very dusty. I do it once in a while, so give me a feel. I do it in reverse. You put it back, the intake. Make sure it clips up on the top right here. Oh, there we go. Make sure everything lines up again. Should be snug and tight. You have the, you can't see it, The two clips here. They're very easy to put back on. The little push clips. One, two, and then we're gonna put the bolt that goes there back with the 10mm bolt. It's not going in. Oh, it's weird. It's not wanting to go in. I have a Phillips head. Alright, and that's how you replace the filter. So a little quick rundown. Intake, two little clips, take them out. Come up here, there's a 10mm bolt. When you come up here, this is clip. You push right here down, it should come off. This comes up. There's other two clips here on the other side, and it pops open. Take out the old filter, drop in a new one, do it in reverse. Make sure you clip these, put this back on, bolt, and two clips. Now let's head into the cabin for the cabin filter. The same thing. I got this at Advanced Auto. This is the parts number. And it was cheap. It was very like $10, less than $10. It's a very new filter. So just a reminder, when putting it in, make sure you see where it says airflow, that's pointing towards the cabin, so basically the inside of the car. Where we're gonna put it, it slides in like this, and it's gonna be the airflow that way. Now I'm gonna show you exactly where the filter is gonna be. Down here to the passenger side. On the left side, you go all the way back here. There's this tab. How I started taking it off. You basically just push it up and it comes off. You can see that. Basically this is the trim that comes off. Inside there should be the old filter, which you reach in and just pull it out. You gotta squeeze a little bit. So, oh yeah, it was really bad. Look at that. And look how a new one should be looking like. So, huge difference. And easiest way is to squeeze it like this. It's a very tight spot, so basically just squeeze it in. Yeah, squeeze it in there. So the accordion, you gotta squeeze it in there. And once it's in, it'll stretch out. So once it's done, I don't know, you can see the filter from here. It should be sitting straight. Remember, airflow has to be going into the cabin. Once you're done, you put the trim back in, slide it in an angle. There you go. And it clips in. And that's it. You're done. So cabin filter and engine filter in. I think that's the hardest, since you have to actually manipulate the filter so it can sit well. But other than that, it's easy. A couple dollars from the dealer. I know just for the engine filter they're charging me 50 bucks, $80 for the cabin filter. So that's a good $110 I saved right there. And it's very simple. I hope this video helps out somebody and it could help you. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for all the support on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. We're gonna put all the links that we used today down below, so you guys could end up buying those parts if you would like to. Follow our Instagram and Facebook to get updated info on the merch coming out soon, dropping very soon. And hopefully we can get along with that. And once again guys, thank you for all the support. We wouldn't be here without you guys, and on to the next one.